Alright, here's how the installation's going. I've got the wire there going up. It goes into that thing here. And then I have it routed all the way through here. So, I'm here now. And I'm gonna route it through here, up through here, and then I'm gonna have the camera connected there. All right, just gotta get the camera placement correct. Then find a way to hide the rest of these wires. All right, so as you can see, we can see the back camera here. So what I'm gonna do, wish I had some help on this, but damn. I just need to make sure that placement is correct. So, yeah, I'm gonna need some help trying to figure that out. All right. So I got the back camera situated. It shows the front and back. It shows the back and a little bit of front. This is all front camera here. And that's all back. So I routed the wires up here. I use clips for these. You can probably barely see it, but these are clips here. I tried to get it behind this thing here, but I couldn't. It didn't feel right, so I stopped on that. But the wires are routed all through here. Flows through here. Working on hiding this down here. There we go. I'll probably close that. Perfect. So wires are running through here. And then this here, I'm gonna connect it. This is connected to that. And then there's another wire that's running through here, all through here, all through here. All through here, as you see right there. Probably actually hide that. Yep, that went in there. All through here, and then boom. And then this is the slack I got. And I got the camera here, so wire connected under here. I'll show you what that looks like. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I have this slack here. I'll move this back. That's the extra slack there coming out. And I got a hook there holding this. So what I'm gonna do though, I'm trying to figure out a way I could do this and not have this. And I'm looking at these little things here. And I know for sure I can get up in here because the wire's in here right now currently. And I can probably feed it through this. It comes out through here. And then I could pry this part here. See, it goes through here. I can pry this part here. And then I can run it right here and it'll connect. And yeah, so that'll get rid of this wire because this wire will now be in here, coming through here. And I won't have this extra stuff here. I'll still have that extra slack though. But at least it won't be an outside wire. It'll all be inside. So I could run it like this and then have extra slack down there. So it'll be like one wire basically, or two wires, but they'll be connected. It won't be as obnoxious. So that's something I'm gonna probably do in the future. I need to see if that's even a possibility. I wanna say it is. But still not bad. Just, you know, got that. And now I'm just working on hiding this a little bit better to be out the passenger way. Let's see. Look like it's something I can clip up under here and have it running right here. Yeah. So, yeah, pretty easy install though. It's cool to have a little dash cam. Never know when you might need it. And that's that. So Actually, I found a little opening down here. And I can probably store the wires in here. So I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna take the power cord here and run it under this thing like that. I can set the majority of this here. I'll clip this back here. Actually, I see a better idea as I'm doing this. I'm gonna run it through this first hole right here. So I put it up under this hole here, and then it's gonna go through this hole here to come out on that side to hook up to that. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna leave all the cords in there. And then when I put that up, it should all be contained at that point. So let's see. And there's 2 snaps that you have to put in here. And just like that. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Just clip this here. And voila, looks very clean now. This is the perfectionist in me here, trickling about this, but I'll mess with it. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. Look at that. So now when a passenger sits in here, they won't have wires underneath, which was what I was gonna do beforehand, but this is way better. And as you see, there's like nothing in their view here. So the camera's picking that little thing up, but when I'm sitting here, it looks like this. It just looks clean. So, yeah, very pleased with it. Like I said, the perfectionist in me. So this thing here pops out. I'm able to put that wire in there behind this guy. And then I just put this little slit back. You can't see it here. Let's see, this little slit here goes in there. So let me try and get that back in. And push like that. And there we go. So this stuff actually just all snaps in place. And as you see, that wire is completely hidden now. Absolutely beautiful. That's the only thing you can see there. And everything else is in the car. All right, all done. The last thing I installed was this button here. And basically what I do is, if I'm driving and I want to like lock the recording or something like that, I just click this button here, and no one could like tamper with the footage or anything like that. It like locks it on the SD card. So if something happens and I need to record like the last minute or 2 minutes or whatever, I just click that button there. It locks the video stuff there. And yeah, just like that, it's saved and locked. Just with a push of a button. So pretty good. So now I'm gonna just take a test drive. I'm gonna record. All right, so now I'm recording. I'm gonna just take a little test drive around. Just to see footage is. Nothing crazy, just do a little lap. Test out the footage. Alright, back where we started. So let's test that footage out and see how it looks. Alright, so now I'm recording. I'm gonna just take a little test drive around. How the footage is. Nothing crazy, just do a little lap. Test out the footage. Back where we started. So let's test that footage out and see how it looks.